Subordinate females may help the alpha female raise the offspring and provide them with protection. Complex social hierarchy. Meerkat societies have a hierarchical structure, with dominant individuals having priority access to food and other resources. However, conflicts are often resolved through ritualized displays and postures rather than physical aggression. Cooperative hunting. Meerkats work together to hunt for food. They have a system where some members of the group act as sentinels, keeping watch for potential predators, while others forage for insects, small vertebrates, and plant matter. Their sharp eyesight and ability to communicate through vocal